welcome back to the Rene of Paris channel. My name is Abby Andrew and I'm the Alopecia Ambassador for this channel, meaning that I talk about our wigs from the perspective of someone who is a daily wig wearer and also experiences alopecia myself. In today's video, I'm really excited to show you some of the new styles that just came out as part of the Rene of Paris collection recently. 3 lovely new styles as well as some new colors. And now before I get into these wigs, make sure you're following us on both YouTube and Instagram at Rene of Paris to stay up to date in all of our latest releases and also for more wig styling tips and tutorials. Now let's go ahead and jump right into these new styles. The first of the new styles I'm going to talk about in today's video is the one that I'm wearing right now. This is the new style called NYX, and this is in one of my all-time favorite colors that we have here at Rene of Paris. This is Watermelon R. Now, watermelon is this beautiful kind of pink shade, and I really love the rooting on this color as well. I think that a fun color like this with the features like the rooting really gives it the effect of looking like your hair dyed this beautiful fun color with the effect of a really natural root growing in, which really makes it look like your own hair dyed this color. I also really love a color like this with the features that this wig has, like a lace front and lace part, because that really just gives the effect of the wig growing right out of your scalp. So this new style, NYX, is a really gorgeous kind of shorter length curly style. It is also heat friendly, so you can change the style if you want to, but with my heat friendly wigs, I always love the way they come right out of the box. And again, this is how it looks straight out of the box, no styling done to it whatsoever. These wigs are fully ready to wear. You could really just get the package in the mail, throw it on your head and go, and you know it's going to look perfect. I really love these wigs as a wig wearer and someone who's bald myself because they take 2 seconds to put on. There's no long wig installation or anything like that. And with the adjustable straps on the wig cap, these wigs fit me securely without any sort of adhesive or wig grip or anything. Here's what the cap construction for NYX looks like on the inside. So you have that lace front, which is an extended lace front, so it goes a little bit wider in the front. And then it also is a partial monofilament as well, which gives you that really natural looking hairline on top. And that partial monofilament is pretty wide as well, so you have a bit of flexibility with that parting there within that range. And then you also have the adjustable straps at the nape of the neck to make sure it fits your head properly and securely once you're wearing it. And once it is adjusted to your proper head size, it should fit securely without any sort of adhesive. So let's go ahead and see how quick this is to put on. Just as simple as that. That extended lace front in the front as well as that partial monofilament really gives the effect of the hair growing directly out of your scalp to give you a really natural looking effect. So as you can see, it just really looks like your natural scalp, and you can kind of move it around within that range and still have a really natural looking appearance. I think this style is just such a charming look that would look so cute on absolutely anyone. If you want to, you could kind of wear these side bangs a little bit more in the front, like that. And because of that lace front, you can really kind of give it that brushed back look and still have the effect of a really natural looking hairline. So no matter how you move the hair around, kind of brushing it back, it just still looks so nice. Here's what NYX looks like all the way around. I just really love having wavy or curly hair on a synthetic wig like this because you know it's going to hold its style and not get frizzy or anything like that. Even after you wash it, a wig like this will return back to its original style, and that is the beauty of a good synthetic wig. Just to show you how this wig looks pulled back in different hairstyles, if you wanted to, you could kind of pull it back into a half ponytail like that, which I think just looks so cute. It's a really great way to make a style like this just look really nice and casual, which gives it a really natural look. And if you wanted to, you could also pull that into a full ponytail. Those front pieces do reach. So if you wanted to pull the hair back completely, you still have that flexibility. The next new style I'm going to show in today's video is really great if you love a pixie or a shorter length wig. Short length wigs like this are just the absolute easiest to manage. You can just throw them on your head and you barely have to do anything to them at all. So really great if you just want no maintenance whatsoever. This new style is called Luca, and this is a new color as well. This one is called Truffle Ribbon-R. This wig has a machine-tied cap, which is really great for durability as well as maintaining a really nice volume to the wig, and just always looks really, really nice. And of course, you also have those same adjustable straps at the nape of the neck. Here is what Luca looks like on. This is really fantastic if you like a sort of tousled pixie. And again, because it is a synthetic style, it's going to hold that really nice styling. Even after you wash it, it'll still dry back in that same way. So it's a really great look with no maintenance whatsoever. And it is also heat friendly as well, so if you wanted to kind of adjust the way that the hair is styled here, you do have that flexibility as well. And this is also the new color Truffle Ribbon-R, which has some really nice kind of highlights in there. All of these wigs also come in a wide range of colors as well. If you ever want to see all the color options that a wig is available in, you can visit our website, reneofparis.com, and you'll see all the details listed there. Here's what Luca looks like all the way around. The next new style that I'm going to show in today's video is this one here. This one is called Mika. This is also a new color as well called Tres Chocolate-R. Another beautiful kind of medium brown tone with some gorgeous kind of highlights in there. Here's what the cap construction for Mika looks like. You have that same extended lace front in the front, so it goes pretty far along the hairline, kind of from temple to temple. And this also has a partial monofilament as well, which gives you that really natural scalp effect. And of course you have those adjustments at the nape of your neck, which fits a wide variety of head sizes. Once those adjustments are fit to your head size, the wig should fit securely without any sort of adhesive. Here's what Mika looks like on. This is a really gorgeous, very natural looking sort of medium length style. I really love the way the hair is styled directly out of the box. It is also heat friendly, so you can change up the style if you want to. I love how a style like this can really be dressed up or dressed down, especially with that heat friendly component, because you can add curls if you want to kind of dress it up. If you want a more casual look, you can kind of pull it back into a half ponytail like that, which looks really cute. With that extended lace front, I really love having the ability to brush back the hair like this, because it really just gives such a natural look no matter how you sort of move the hair around. Here's what Mika looks like all the way around. I really love this style, and as a daily wig wearer, this is one I could absolutely see myself wearing as a daily go-to wear wig, because there's just so much you can do with it, and it just looks so natural with those kind of features like that lace front, extended lace front, and partial monofilament. So those are all of the new styles that I have to show in today's video. I think there's really just something here for everyone, between the shorter style like Luca, if you like a good pixie cut, medium length style like this one, and if you're someone who likes wavy or curly wigs, then I think NYX is a really fantastic option. I'm also really loving these new colors that just came out, and also of course all of these wigs come in a wide range of colors, so you can find something that is a perfect fit for you. Let us know in the comments below which of these new styles is your favorite and which one you are looking forward to picking up for yourself. And of course, if you share any photos of our wigs on social media, feel free to tag us at Rene of Paris, and we might also repost your photo. If you want to learn more about these wigs, you can check them all out on our website, reneofparis.com, and you can also view the full Rene of Paris catalog on there. Just go to the Brands tab, go down to the Rene of Paris High Fashion line, and you can check out the new catalog that shows these wigs and all the different beautiful catalog photos, see them in a couple of different colors, and see all of the spec details there. Make sure you're following us on both YouTube and Instagram to stay up to date on all of our latest releases like these gorgeous new styles, and for more wig styling tips and tutorials. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.